American entrepreneur Jeff Bezos is the founder and executive chairman of Amazon.com and owner of the Washington Post. His successful business ventures have made him one of the richest people in the world. Today, chargers are limited in how quickly they can charge an EV's battery due to the danger of overheating. To charge an EV faster, a higher current needs to travel through the charging cable. Want to know about it? Well, stay tuned to the video and watch the video till the end. Hello guys, welcome to Bezos Space. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get new updates about Jeff Bezos. Hit the like button to show your support, and in today's video, we're going to talk about Jeff Bezos just leaked that China reveals batteries that charge faster than gasoline. So without any further ado, let's begin. The cooling systems that chargers currently use remove only so much heat. Tesla is aiming to launch a new low-cost long-life battery pack for the Model 3 in China, which could bring the cost of its electric vehicles in line with their combustion engine competitors, reports have suggested. The upcoming battery pack is set to have a lifespan of 1 million miles before needing to be replaced. Once spent, the batteries could be used to store power for the national grid. Big technology and car companies are all too aware of the limitations of lithium-ion batteries. A lithium-ion battery is a type of rechargeable battery used in electric vehicles and a number of portable electronics. They have a higher energy density than typical lead-acid or nickel-cadmium rechargeable batteries. Lithium is also the lightest of all metals. However, lithium-ion batteries contain no lithium metal, they contain ions. The Chinese swapping plans announced piecemeal in recent weeks and months, but not widely known outside the domestic auto sector, are part of Beijing's broader plan to make 25% of car sales fully electric by 2025, or more than 6 million passenger vehicles based on current forecasts. Estimates vary widely as to how many will have swappable batteries. The 4680 could fuel Musk's dreams to build millions of EVs a year around the world. That kick begins with the 4680's form factor and what surrounds it, more than what ends up inside it, Monroe and other experts told IEEE Spectrum. Where Battery Day trumpeted the new cell as having 5 times the energy density and 6 times the power of its Panasonic-built 2170 cells, Musk conveniently failed to mention the larger 4680 has nearly 5.5 times the volume simply due to larger dimensions, 46 by 80 mm versus 21 by 70 mm. Israel's Store claims its 5-minute fill-up is getting closer with its improved lithium-ion technology. Store's claims are underlined by a serious array of financial backers, which include BP, Mercedes, parent Daimler, TDK of Japan, and Samsung of Korea. After its recent progress report, Store CEO Doron Meyersdorf said this: "We're on the cusp of achieving a revolution in the EV charging experience that will remove the critical barrier to mass adoption of EVs." Musk hopes to make electric cars as convenient and accessible as conventional combustion engine vehicles. Store's 5-minute battery will likely not enter the mainstream market for many years, as mass production will not be available for quite some time as the company continues to hone its technology. In 2014, the company developed a prototype of a charger that could boost your phone's battery from dead to fully charged in 30 seconds. As of February, there were more than 1,400 battery swap stations in China, more than double the number a year ago. Most of the existing stations are operated by 2 companies, NIO, the breakout domestic EV startup, and Alton New Energy, whose founder first started stepping into the battery swap field in 2001. But as the industry starts to attract more market interest, formidable competitors are jumping into the race. In April 2021, Sinopec Group, China's state-owned petroleum giant and the world's 5th most profitable company, announced its plan to build 5,000 battery swap stations. Electric vehicles are a crucial part of Biden's $2 trillion climate change plan, in which he wants an entirely green electric power grid by 2035, with cars running on electricity instead of gasoline. Store's new battery technology would make this green future more feasible, eliminating what CEO Doron Meyersdorf called electric vehicles' biggest barriers, range and charging anxiety. The prototype battery pack has a charging capacity of up to 900 kilowatt, more than 3 times the peak capacity of other electric vehicles today, such as the Porsche Taycan, which only reaches 270 kilowatts. Porsche Taycan owns a battery with a charging capacity of up to 270 kilowatt, but has not aged with the new battery model of the manufacturer from China. According to Destin, this battery model is expected to be used in the upcoming PHGT Sports electric car, with a capacity likely to reach 75 kilowatt-hour, combined with ability to charge in under 5 minutes. The car is capable of traveling up to 500 kilometers. From 2010 to 2018, lithium-ion battery costs declined by 85% and are forecast to decline by another 50% by 2030, according to Bloomberg New Energy Finance, with major implications for the utility and electric vehicle market. The store battery replaces graphite with semiconductor nanoparticles into which ions can pass more quickly and easily. These nanoparticles are currently based on germanium, which is water-soluble and easier to handle in manufacturing. But StoreDot's plan is to use silicon, which is much cheaper, and it expects these prototypes later this year. Unlike other grid-scale storage technologies, lithium-ion has benefited from the manufacturing scale of both consumer electronics and electric vehicles markets. Together, the two industries have dominated the vast majority of lithium-ion markets, resulting in cost declines, and with plunging system costs come the increasing value of clean energy storage, especially for new technologies that extend battery duration. Musk actually cites Tesla's growing manufacturing expertise in batteries, eliminating steps, streamlining processes, slashing costs as its true competitive edge. That vision includes not just 4680 factories adjacent to car plants near Austin and Berlin, but also chemical plants to produce cathodes and lithium hydroxide, according to Simon Moores, managing director of Benchmark Mineral Intelligence. In one example, Tesla plans to use raw metallurgical silicon to boost its content in cells, using a scalable elastic polymer coating to conduct ions, boosting range another 20% and reducing pack costs by 5%. According to Drew Baglino, its SVP of engineering. Tesla's redesigned pack, including adhesive bonds between cells and modern welding techniques, will reduce steel use by 30 to 40%. Stamped grid plates on top will bring power back to terminals. Tesla has yet to show its 4680 cells in physical form or reveal its chemistry or specs. Still, experts say a long list of innovations could widen Tesla's already significant lead in driving range and efficiency versus the global giants. Tesla will also introduce a new heavily automated battery manufacturing process that will reduce labor costs and increase output to feed demand in growing markets such as China. The cells will be constructed in the firm's upcoming Terafactories, which are touted to be 30 times larger than the company's existing Gigafactory near Reno, Nevada. All of these plans will fuel Musk's ultimate goal of becoming a global energy supplier. Tesla recently applied for a British energy provider license, which could see the company support the national grid using the same batteries as its electric vehicles. Tesla could also introduce its energy management software AutoBidder to UK homeowners as part of the process. Now that we've come to the end of this video, I want to thank you for sticking with me, and I'd love to know what you think of it. Just comment down below. Also, if you like this video, make sure you like it and stay safe. Today's video is over, but if you want to see more, there's one on your screen right now, and there are a few more fun videos coming soon. I'll see you in the next video.